Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on autoplay in Netflix. So to do this, you have just to go to your Netflix account, open it, choose your profile, and after that go and click on My Netflix. After that, go and click on the three lines on the top of the screen. And after that, click on App Settings. Sometimes you will find the option here to turn on and off autoplay. But if you can't find it there, you have to go back. And after that, click on your name. Click on Manage Profiles. After that, click on the pen on your avatar. And as you can see, if you can't find the option where I showed you, you will find it here. And you can turn on and off the autoplay for the previews and for the next episode. I hope that you like this video. Of course, after you do this, you have to click on Done. So after watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next